This video will focus on installing the headrest on a Think V2 chair. Start by installing the left and right hand metal clips with tabs facing away from the back of the chair and slide the clips down to rest on the small bumps. Center the headrest on the top of the chair with the front edge of the headrest over the plastic edge on top of the chair back. Rotate the headrest backward and press the side wall hooks up to clip under each side. You should hear a small click noise. At the bottom of the mount, push inwards with a high force. You will hear a distinct snap when the tabs have clipped into the mount. Check to verify that the headrest is engaged. Gently pull the headrest forward and back to confirm it is secured to the chair back. You are now ready to use your Think V2 chair.